Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced by many Excel users. The issue at hand involves a formula that counts cells meeting specific criteria, but it doesn't include blank cells in the count. So, the challenge we're looking to tackle is adjusting the formula to also count cells that are either less than 10 or blank. Now let's talk about the solution to our problem. By utilizing the STACK function in Excel, we can modify the existing formula to achieve the desired result. The key here is to use the SUM function in conjunction with CountIfs and STACK to accurately count cells that are less than 10 or blank. The updated formula will ensure that both conditions are met when counting the cells, giving us the comprehensive count we need. In summary, by incorporating the STACK function into our Excel formula, we can effectively count cells that are less than 10 or blank. This adjustment allows us to capture all the relevant data points accurately and efficiently. With this solution in place, you'll be able to handle similar scenarios with ease in your Excel worksheets. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Excel tips and tricks.